Okay, so now we're going to talk about pedigrees. The example that we're going to use is called Fanconi anemia. If you have the gene big F, which is dominant, you don't have any anemia, and you actually have normal bone marrow function. If you inherit a little f, then that's a recessive gene for Fanconi anemia. It's going to mean slow growth, heart defects, maybe bone marrow failure, and a very high rate of leukemia. So let's talk about some of the aspects of a pedigree. If you see a circle, first of all, that's a female. If you have a square, that is a male. If you have a circle that has colored in, that's a female with a condition, whatever you're talking about. If you have a square that is colored in, that is a male with a condition. If you have two individuals who are joined, they have some sort of union, like marriage or whatever, and if you have a line that's coming down from that connection, this is going to their children, okay? So it's very important to learn that first. Now, what we want to try to do is to successfully identify what are the genes for each of these children and grandchildren. So the first thing that I like to do, number one, is go ahead and identify those that have the condition, and we know they're colored in. So we know automatically Carla would be a little f, little f. Wilma is a little f. Arlene, a little f. And finally, Tom, a little f. So that's the easiest way for us to start. Now, so as you're working through your genetics, if you need additional assistance, go to YouTube and feel free to watch videos by the Amoeba Sisters or Paul Anderson, who's with Bozeman Science. Also, you can go to the web and look at learngeneticsutah.edu, and they have a whole catalog of topics that I really think would be helpful.